Hi, guys, a very good morning. Monday, new week, new set of activities, and this week we are planning to do the alphabet and numbers mashup. So, these are the set of activities which I've prepared, and basically, we are just trying to revise the numbers and the alphabet, so uppercase, lowercase, and numbers up to 40. So I have tried and created some activities where Vivan can use the stickers because he wants to use stickers a lot these days and he wants to write. So it's a combination of both. So let me explain the activities now. Okay, so this is our first activity. So I've taken a paper plate here and I have written the lowercase alphabets. So this is B, B, C, and F. And what he has to do, he has to find two similar alphabets. So like if he'll see B and B, he has to open the sketch pen and he has to draw a line. So it can be it doesn't need to be a perfect line because we are learning right now, so it is just a pre-writing activity for him. So he has to just put a sleeping line which he knows by now. So just alphabet and pre-writing together. Same way there are numbers here, 16, 16, 17, 18. So we'll do the numbers and at the same time again he has to match the two similar numbers which are 16 and 16, which makes a standing line. So that's one. In the same case he has to find A and A here, and there will be this slanting line here and a slanting line here. So this is how we'll do this, and I think he will really enjoy. So I have taken I've given him two color options, red and blue, and he can decide, or we can use like one color for this, one color for this. So this will be our first activity. This he has already done. So just a quick look. I had written numbers from 11 to 34 and the same numbers I had written on the sticker sheet with the same color. So underneath this is 11, but the circle was blue, okay, here, and here the circle was orange. So simultaneously I had used the same color on the number sheet. So he can connect with the numbers and you can see how many are in orange and how many are black. So we did the counting also here, and that's the plan. So I'll ask him, can you see there are how many numbers in orange? So he'll say 1, mama, 2, 3. So that's how he has to count, and he had to paste from 11 to 34 which he has already done. Our third activity is match uppercase and lowercase. So here A and A, M, M. So he has to just put the slanting line like this. So when he's matching M, he has to match M, and we'll do the sound M, M, monkey, monkey. So that's how we learn phonics as well, and he has to use this to match. In the same way for he has to put it like this. So let's see, I think it'll be fun. He just wants to now start using the pen, pencil, and he likes it a lot. So he will be just doing like this and like this. Okay, our fourth activity, keeping in mind the car craze. So the car has to go in from here and has to come out from here, and he has to then he has to park the car here. So I will put it like this. This is the entry point and this is the finishing point, which says hooray. So that's what I've shown him here. And then just to move his finger, after we use the car, we have to use the finger to identify and to create the alphabet C. After this we have this little game of he has to fit in the numbers. So all the numbers are right here, and he has to then identify one, then what will come here. You have to find 2 and he has to put 2 here, 3, and then do 4 here, 5, 6, 8. What comes in between? 7. So it's actually not forcing him to do in between numbers, but I was trying this game with him 2 days back, and I just did it because I was busy doing something else. So I just removed the numbers, and I thought if he can do it, okay. But yes, he tried and he did quite well. So I thought if he's ready to do it, why not explore the other option? So then 10, 12, and 14. So I think it'll be great. He would really enjoy this, and even if he doesn't enjoy, if he just tries, I think it'll be great. So that's it. This game also done. Now the other one which we have is the numbers. These are set of magnetic stickers which I've picked up. So the whole game is he has to open the flap, okay, like this. He has to take this out. He has to take the full thing out and then remove each number from here, and he has to stick here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then he has to put it back and close it like this. So it'll be a fun activity, and I would want to see what he wants to explore, whether he wants to learn 11 or 22, 33, 44, and then that's a multiplication sign, that's a equal to sign. So that's what we'll try and figure out with the magnetic sticker activity. Then we have this little jumble up game which has lowercase and uppercase, and all these letters already here. He has to pick a one, so that's an S, and that's a capital S. Where is capital S? Here. So he has to just keep it and identify. So he has to do a capital A and a small a at the same time, then a capital S here. Maybe the small s is not here. So he has to use, and he has to sit patiently and do this activity. I think this will be also nice. Then this is a mashup of numbers and alphabets. So he has also done this half because when I was making, he was so excited. He said, I want to do. I said, okay, let's do it. Okay, so the numbers and alphabets are here together, and the same thing has been done here. So he has to pick up one and he has to match. So he's already done 21, 22, 23. So 24 is right here. He has to just peel it off from here and stick it here. And correspondingly for all the alphabets are just right here. He has to take it and paste it again here. So the whole idea of doing this together was to make him understand that the numbers and alphabets can be together, and if you're focusing on numbers, it doesn't mean that we can't learn or remember alphabets. So just two things doing at the same time. That's one. And our last activity is the two-letter mashup. So building letters and words. So that's am, us, go, to. So how is it? A plus m is am, am, and then he matches this. U and S, then he has to take out the letters from here. So I have put them in the circles. He has to just take it out like T, O. Two will come right here. So like this, he has to complete all the 6 words, and I think it'll be a great way to learn 2-letter words now. So this is it, guys. I think he'll really enjoy the activity. Keep watching. Let me know if you have any suggestion. It'll be very great that I'll be able to add it next time for sure. Thanks. Bye.